Stop throwing your shorts into the void and start targeting the massive US audience. First, you need to understand who's already watching. Head to your YouTube Studio Analytics, click on the Audience tab. Scroll down and check your top geographic locations. Are you seeing a good percentage of US viewers? If not, let's fix that. Jump on USB ASCD trends, browse the YouTube Shorts feed and identify sounds, challenges, and memes that are popular in the US. Incorporating these will drastically increase your reach. Make sure the audio is actually trending in the US, not just globally. Keyword research is key. Use tools like Google Trends or even just the YouTube search bar to discover popular search terms related to your niche in the US. Include these keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and even in on-screen text. Optimize your descriptions, don't just slap in a few words. Craft compelling descriptions that are relevant to your video and include those focused keywords we found earlier. Think of it as SEO for shorts. Language matters. Go to your video settings and ensure the video language is set to English United States. This signals to YouTube that your content is primarily for English-speaking US viewers. Engage with US viewers, respond to comments, ask questions specific to the US, and foster a community around your shorts. Show you care about your US audience. By implementing these simple strategies, you'll be well on your way to reaching a larger, more engaged US audience with your YouTube Shorts. Now go create some awesome content.